study a little bit on the system curve, system head, and so on. And this actually sounds kind of fancy, but we actually have already worked with it. So let's say we have the system, we have A, and we have B. The system curve is essentially, let's do the mechanical energy equation. Let's solve for the pump head, or the pump requirement, and all the data, for example, change in height, the velocity head, friction loss, and the pressure head. All these equivalent will give you the amount of energy requirement for this pump. And this is what we're going to do. This is the system head. Of course, as we increase, for example, if we want more pressure here, we will need to increase the pump requirement. If we want to increase the height, we will need more pump requirement. If we want to increase, for example, make it more large, we will increase the friction loss, which will need, of course, increase the pumping requirement. And that's the system head. The system curve is something similar, but doing this for every, let's say, flow rate. So let's say we did this for 1 cubic meter per hour. Now let's do it for 2, for 3, 4, 5, and 6. And it's very interesting because we will have a pump requirement for each flow rate, and will help us very fast to identify which kind of pump we want to use and we need to use. This was a free preview. You want to get full access, go to my incompressible flow course. The link is in the description of the video. You will get all access. Not only that, you get a very straightforward, user-friendly interface. So for instance, you were analyzing or studying pumps, you have it here, the pump block. Then you have the sections. If you're, for example, studying the types of pumps, you can go here, and you have all the classes right here. Not to mention that you also have introduction and conclusion of every one of these. So for instance, if you were studying positive displacement pumps, the video is right here. If you were studying positive displacement pumps in rotatory and reciprocal are also included here. Centrifugal pumps, which is a very important topic in this course, you have it right here.